Okay guys, so welcome to my little tutorial on how to make a discus. So I've actually taken my discus apart so that I can demonstrate exactly how it's done. First to start off with just a basic piece of cardboard. I got this from a box. You're not going to struggle too hard to find some cardboard if you really try. So the first thing I did was I actually measured out my hand width by putting it like this, putting my hand on it like this, getting a texter and just putting a dot at the end of each of my fingers. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots there. Now, with a discus, you do want it to be able to fit nicely in your hand with your thumb resting nicely on the side. So you need a bit of room. So I used these dots, and I know that my fingertips right at the end, I'm not going to need it there, so I actually went in a little bit from each one. And now I'm going to use that as my starting point for my circle. So you don't have to be really accurate, but like after you've finished drawing your circle, you might want to go back and just modify it so you know that it's more circular. So my circle might come off a little bit of an oblong, a little bit of an oval. That's fine. So I've done my circle there. My thumbprint sits out here, but when I'm actually got it on here, like this, I know that my thumb will sit nicely. So you can see there's a circle around here. I'll just go over that in the black so you can see exactly what my circle looks like. Okay, so that's my circle. Now, get a pair of scissors, cut that out. Once you've cut that out, you can actually use that circle to make another template. So you're going to just put this down, trace around it in really thin pencil, and then cut that back out, and then you've got two identical pieces of cardboard. Okay? Now, that's what I originally did. I had two pieces of cardboard that I'd cut out, and I'd put them on top of each other, and I thought, you know, that'll do as a shot put, as a discus. That's going to be fine. But I found that it was too light. So after sticky taping these two pieces together, I thought, well, actually, I need to change that. I need to make something a bit heavier that'll fly through the air better. And I thought, you know, a CD is something that works really well. So what I did was I taped the CD to one of the pieces of cardboard. Then I had the other next piece underneath that. And you got to really make sure that you find the right fit, because then it will make it a lot nicer to throw or hold. So there we go. Or maybe not. So I'm going to keep twisting until I find that was about the position where it was. So I taped the sides together. So I had one disc. Actually, I don't think that was right. It's really hard with a circle. There we go. Okay, so I had that one disc, and I had taped my CD to the other side. And I made two more of those same templates from before, like this and this. And I find them the same way, and then I put them down on top, and I try and find the right side for it. If you can't line them up, flip them over. They're probably on the wrong side. And then sticky tape those together, and I made a discus from that. Squeeze the edges together really tight, because once you do that, it'll have a really nice, easy rest around your hands. Okay? Hopefully you guys can do an even better job than I did, but it's not too hard. Good luck.